Guys, is anybody else stoked for the release of Cruella this week? I honestly cannot wait. I think I'm gonna try and make a cosplay. Okay. Hang out with me, see what happens. Bye.
After watching the trailer about a dozen times, I decided to go with this split jacket dress. I feel like it is the perfect representation of Cruella.
Well, since this cosplay is literally a last minute idea, I think we're going to raid what I have in my black and white fabric bins. I don't think that I want to spend any money on this other than maybe a wig. I do have that red, which looks like I may be able to make something out of that. Oops. Yeah, I think that's the pattern that we're going to use. I have sufficiently rated my inventory. I've picked out the pattern. We're going to use this one. I am thinking of using this view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to widen the skirt so that it's more of a circle skirt and less pointy at these angles, and then I'm also going to nix the hood, but I want this yoke to be in there, and then it's going to be half black, half Dalmatian fur. So what I did was I dug out a couple of yards of this faux suede, and then I also dug out a couple of yards of, can you focus? Hi, focus. That faux fur that I'm going to use my handy dandy fabric paint to paint some Dalmatian spots on. I might water it down a little bit so that it spreads a little easier and actually gets down into the pile of the fur. I will play with that, figure it out, and get back to you, let you know what worked or what didn't. And then I did have to run to the store because I needed closures, and looking really closely at the picture, her jacket is very like buckle closures, so I found these guys at my local craft store that I think if we tip with silver, that might help with making it work. Let's make it work. It's the end of day 2. I have finished the black side of the jacket, as well as painting the Dalmatian spots onto the white side of the jacket, the fur side. Now that the paint is drying, I use that time to cut out the red. Now I wait for paint to dry, which in any single project, that's the hardest part. I never hit the record button. I don't have any ink for the white half of the jacket. Awesome! Oh well. Okay, so I've got the buckles all in, everything is assembled, so at this point, unless I decide to actually put some silver here, she's done. Now it's time for the wig. And what did Santa bring you, sweetie? It's the end of day 3, and I am done making everything. The dress is done, the wig is done, and I am very proud of everything that I have accomplished. So I plan on filming a reveal tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, depending on what the weather looks like, because I do want to do it outside. And I will see you guys after the reveal. Done. I'm actually really happy with the way everything turned out. Glad that Fairest decided to participate in the photo shoot, so there's some puppy footage. If I were to do anything differently, it would be to take into consideration the fact that I live in Central Florida. So wearing faux leather, faux fur, yeah, it's almost June, honey. Not a great idea. But otherwise, I'm super thrilled. I might have waited until the movie came out to get much more detailed photos, but I'm still really, really happy with how everything turned out. The fur looks fantastic, and I couldn't be more happy with it. So yeah, now maybe I can just wait for some cooler weather so I can actually wear it. I definitely had a blast making this video this week. It's something that I really want to keep doing in the future, so if everybody can please just watch the videos, like, comment, subscribe, just like you would for any other big YouTube channel. Help me get started. So you know the drill. Buttons, they're all down there. Hit them. Putting my literal blood, sweat, and tears